Hello everybody, we are in Epcot and we're gonna do it, well, we're in front of the margarita stand in Mexico.
So we're going to attempt to get enough food and drink in between festivals because Flower and Garden just ended July 5th and Food and Wine doesn't start till July 27th. And July 11th, free Slurpee Day. Hope you all got your free Slurpee.
Oh, free
we did
Slurpee
not.
Day. Not here at Epcot.
No.
But we're going to show you the foods you could get when it's not a festival. So that's also important to know.
Mexico is a good place to start because they have the margarita fight. So
yeah, so give us a thumbs up, and this is where we're going to start. So they have great margaritas. You could get 3 different kinds. And what we did not know is that they also have nachos.
Yes.
So we're going to try out some nachos. All right, so we couldn't see a table, but we happen to know where there's a nice shaded table. All right, so look at this. I have a 3 flavored margarita: lime, strawberry, mango, and look at that.
yeah, so it wasn't nachos. We misspoke about that. It was guac and chips. So,
Which is kind of like
which is
nachos.
gotta say now. She said if you went across the way from their stand, they have nachos over there.
Right in this place over here.
Yeah.
But I'll have to admit, I did have a little bit of sticker shock. These 3 items were $41. I'm like, what? 41? Holy cow! But it looks real good. So let's dig in and we'll show you what we think.
So we better eat every bite of this.
Yeah, and look at all that. It looks great. Boom. And of course,
All right. You can already tell it guacamole. It's got a little kick to it though. And I'm not sure what's on top. Is that mango or I don't know what's
Looks
in
like
this on top.
pumpkin seeds and then pineapple.
Pineapple?
So, yeah.
Now the chips could be saltier, but the guacamole, it's a bit citrusy. I don't know.
Might be mango actually.
Yeah. But, I don't know, not too bad, but I will say it does have a little pow to it. But this will keep us busy for a little bit, I think.
All right, cheers to a non-festival day at Epcot. That's good. Yeah, and this is good guacamole, very fresh.
Just need a little salt shaker.
Okay, another option, Joy of Tea. They have teas and egg rolls and all kinds of good stuff. It's right across from that. Okay, we have the egg rolls from Joy of Tea. And we still have our little margaritas, which we're so on. Kind of tastes actually like the mezcal tequila, which we weren't wild about.
Yeah, because it kind of almost tastes like fake sugar, which I'm sure it's not. I think it's just the type of tequila we're not used to.
Yeah, I think it's the mezcal. But look at that. That looks good. All right, let's give these a go.
Cheers shot?
I've never had these. Boom. Here we go.
All right, that's pretty good.
That's a good egg roll.
It tastes like a legit egg roll you would get from any good Chinese restaurant.
Yeah, if you're craving an egg roll, this probably won't disappoint.
And you can't go wrong with adding sweet and sour sauce.
No. This one's labeled duck sauce. Don't listen, ducks.
Oh.
All right, so 2 for $2, I think. so far. Okay, so we're not getting this, but if you did want a hot dog and some good drinks, Refreshment Outpost, all beef hot dog, and it says it comes with chips. And then they have some
mango.
good, yeah.
And a mango rum frozen drink, which I probably would have liked better than the drink I have in Mexico.
Mango Star, and then Outpost Lemonade, which says it's a vodka drink with lemonade. So I bet you that's good, but we just had our tequila.
Yeah.
So I don't know.
And we haven't even made it halfway around the world, so.
So I'm betting this would be decent, especially if you're craving a hot dog. All right, onward. So this looks good. Handcrafted caramel treats. Let's check this out.
We've never been in here, but I believe there's a cookie in here that has my name on it.
It smells heavenly. All right, so this looks like all caramel popcorn. I think we're gonna try one of these. And then there's a snickerdoodle
And there
cookie.
is a snickerdoodle sandwich.
Werther's.
Yes. So I just snuck up to see they do have it, so we're bringing it home. Because they're going to put in one of these nice little to-goes because
Oh,
that's an
look at
at-home
this.
snack.
Andrew is interested in this guy. Werther's original snickerdoodle. Oh wow, look at all this.
And we're getting it to go.
That looks crazy. Huh. That looks cool. Look at all the Werther's stuff here. Holy cow. A wall of Werther's.
And this is something cool we did not know. Because it was considered merchandise, you get to use your AP pass holder. So
Yeah, we got
thank you for letting us know that.
We got like a $3 discount for both of those. I don't think we've ever been in here.
No, we haven't.
Wow.
It's Christmas. Christmas
It is
in July.
Christmas. Okay. There's the beer garden right over there. Huh. Oh, cool. Oh, all right. We may have to check out what this is all about. Okay, so this place has the wine glasses I wanted. Right there. Epcot. Oh. I should,
And I
shouldn't
told
I?
Andy that we need to get rid of glasses at home before we can buy more.
Oh, but look at them. Those just look awesome. And little Epcot shot glasses. Okay, so we found this little place. That looks good.
Cheers.
Salute. Cheers.
Okay, so that's what we were just talking about.
That is.
All right, there's two.
We'll get
two.
these two. We may have to get the what she
And
has.
we'll do a shot of the chocolate.
So the regular chocolate?
Yes.
Okay, so I don't know if that was the tequila in Mexico, but we ended up buying two of these. It's Mozart chocolate liqueur,
It's chocolate.
and we bought the two shot glasses. So I blame the tequila slushy. And if you've never eaten here, we highly recommend the beer garden. Search our playlist for our Epcot playlist. We've eaten here twice. So good.
All right, this one's more full.
All right. Oh,
Okay.
Mozart chocolate liqueur. I cracked up because of that trombone and that music. You hear it? It's coming from over there. Prior videos, we've cracked up.
We maybe
trying-
should link the video up here to what we're talking about.
Yeah,
so-
we're trying to eat out there and vlog, and this music is playing. Blah, blah, blah.
And we were struggling to begin with,
hilarious.
so the music really fit.
All right, try again. Cheers, salute.
Smile, you gotta smile.
The music in Germany is great. And there's a chicken up there. Look. Look up at the clock.
Oh, yeah.
He just came out.
Well, I was actually kind of laughing because there's a guy trying to take a picture of his family, and he kept backing up, and he almost backed right into the poor guy that was getting the trash can. So that's kind of, and then the brr that came out, so it was all kind of like one.
All right, Germany, you're funny. I like you. Okay, so here's another purchase. Werther's Original Handcrafted Caramel Popcorn. All right, let's give this a little taste. Okay, here's the Werther's popcorn.
Is it worth, oh my, help me, little help.
I got the whole thing.
That's not overpowering. That's pretty good.
That is super good. I was unable to talk.
Not bad.
Yeah. All right, super good. Highly recommend.
Bop, 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 bop.
Now we're trying the snickerdoodle
Ever
cookie.
since I saw this online, I've been dreaming of it.
Dream. Well, you gotta dream of something. Oh, wow, look at all the caramel.
Oh,
Hold it sideways.
My goodness.
Look at that caramel. Oh, here we go.
well, I would probably bite into it.
Oh, just bite into it.
Yeah. Do it over the
It's
thing.
cold.
Yeah.
Holy moly.
Good? Don't hog it all. Don't set it down either.
Wow.
Oh, he set it down.
That's really good. Oh, wow.
So what exactly is
it's
all of it?
fantastic.
What's
I'm
the...
tasting ton of cinnamon, ton of caramel, ton of marshmallow. I don't know. Yeah, that's good.
This is fantastic.
Isn't it good?
I probably should. I'm going to have another little bite.
That's
It's
really
so-
good.
My
I gotta
favorite
have one more
cookie is snickerdoodle, and then you throw in caramel, and I don't even know what that other filling is. Is it just like whipped cream? I don't know. What? Are you kidding me? I got like a headlock on this sucker.
That's really good. Yeah, it's cold too. Cold.
All right, don't pass up on the snickerdoodle. Oh yeah.
All right, we better stop. Onward. And when in Italy, you could go to the wine cellar. They have a grab and go menu.
How about you, sir?
Good, how are you doing? Just
Fine,
showing the
fine.
inside.
Yeah, no worries.
Oh, nice, nice. We've never been in here. And look at the view. It's not a sunset view, but we need to come back in like an hour. So the smokehouse place is another place we've never been.
Oh, Regal Eagle.
Regal Eagle Smokehouse. So you could also get this. It's all year. Doesn't matter if it's a festival.
Ooh, fresh watermelon cup.
I think I would take the smoked chicken maybe. Not big on brisket. It's usually fatty. We're not back here much, but it's been a long time since we've been in La Haye. Oh, and it's still swamped. So, yeah, last time we've been here, this place was packed, and again,
Oh,
it's
well,
packed.
it's not too bad, maybe.
I think this tells you this is really good.
But there's actually walking room, believe it or not.
Oh, that's busy. So you could get ham and cheese croissants and all kinds of good stuff in here. The things you see at Epcot, other than Andrea,
Well,
look at this. What?
I feel like we're in the high rollers room in a casino.
I know. The things you see in Epcot.
It's like, should we be back here or?
I probably should not touch anything.
No,
They
don't.
have the same glasses as Germany.
Okay, don't touch anything.
Whoa. Oh, 2020. It has not aged much. All right, all right. Well, we should probably move along.
Yes.
Before I spend more.
Uh-huh.
Okay, the hat's cool.
Yeah.
But here's another place that's really good. This is open all the time, festival or not. They have really good fish and chips. Really good fish and chips. If you like a lot of brown food.
Much too full for fish and chips today, though.
And if you want a pint, you just step into the Rosencrown, go right up to the bar, and you get a pint of beer. See what it looks like in here.
I like the band.
Oh, and it's the AC is just pouring out of here.
Oh, yeah, very nice.
Tons of AC. So they got harp, they have all kinds of good beers.
It's actually not very crowded in here.
Getting some good color there. Epcot is known for some epic sunset spots.
And then it's kind of
There's one.
creepy. We're standing on this bridge, and every time Test Track goes by, the bridge like
Shakes a little.
kind of shudders.
We're now wishing we had just waited the 10 minutes in line at La Haye in France, because then we could have had a ham and cheese croissant for like $5. Unless you want to pop in the Space 220.
Andy's forcing me against my will to eat.
Space 220. Get some shrimp cocktail. We're back at Connections Eatery. This is new for, I think it was 2022.
Yeah. And we never made it over
This
here.
place is giant. It like goes on and on and on and on.
And no copyright here. They're playing Arc Adventure music.
They're playing our song from Epidemic Sound.
One little spark of inspiration
Ah,
is at the heart of all creation. Right at the center of everything that's new.
Experimental, prototype, communicate,
tomorrow.
One little spark lights up for you.
I'm happy to report the cannons are not gone. They're at the very end. Awesome.
So I was about to say it's not harmonious, but after putting in waltz, the cannons, and the explosives afterwards, it was pretty good.
It was pretty good. And it's only like 11 minutes, so
Yeah.
not bad. All right, give us a like and thumbs up for the video. We tried to show you some snacks that you could get at all the year long at Epcot. So.
Yeah. So thanks for coming along, and we got Magic Kingdom fireworks.
Oh, I could have lit us up here. Wait. Bam! Look at that.
All right.
You
So
can see
this
it.
picture, all that earlier lit out, but thanks for coming along, and
We will see you next time
See you next
tomorrow
time.
at Hollywood Studios.
yeah,
Hopefully she'll get to meet Grogu.
yeah.